Ggolofu ab'ebiti ebyenjawulo abazannyi ba golf ab'ebiti ebyenjawulo omuli abatandika abaana abatone ba pro bakakasiddwa okwetaba mu mpaka za Watoto golf tournament ez'omulundi guno.
You can come as players of the event. Your company can decide to bring a corporate team of 4 to be able to partner with the cause and play on that day, 8th August. You can decide that maybe you're not a company, but you're individuals, friends who play golf, and you want to come together. We also have the options of individuals forming teams, coming together to be able to play on that day. Then you may be somebody who has never touched been on a course or played golf at all. We are also offering you the opportunity under what is called New to Golf, where you can come for the first time and learn how to swing, how to hold a club, and do whatever it needs to be done, and experience the golf course and give yourself the opportunity maybe to further in golf in the future. And then still you may not be interested in golf at all, but you have a heart for the vulnerable women. You're also given the opportunity to come and just donate to the cause, because there's so much need that is there.
Empaka zino za kutandika ng'ennaku z'omwezi 3 omwezi ogujja olwo zikomekerezebwenga 8 omwezi gwe gumu, era nga za kuyindira ku kisaawe kya Uganda Golf Club mu Kampala wansi w'omulamu ogugamba nti Hope on Green.
We're starting next Monday, 3rd August, and all the way up to 8th August. 3rd August, we have our caddies who are going to have a tournament. Caddies are basically, basically the men and women who carry the bags, I could say that, of the tools that the golfers use to play. We're giving them the opportunity to have a tournament on the 3rd. Then from the 4th to all the way to the 8th, we have our amateurs and our pros. The amateurs are people who play golf but are not exactly professionals, and then we have the pros who are the professional golfers. They're not many, but they're quite a number. We have a tournament. The amateurs will play a tournament on their own. The pros will play a tournament on their own, all the way from 4th, and it will be crowned on 8th August. But on 8th August now, the real final day of the tournament, where the amateurs complete and the pros complete, that's where all the different corporates, that's when the new to golf, that's where the individuals who want to play golf will come and to the Uganda Golf Club Kitante to be able to crown off the day.
Okusinziira ku Livia Chirinjera, omu ku bakulembeddemu enteekateeka eno, baakutandika n'abazannyi abato okuva nga 3 olwo bazzeeko abakyakayiga nga 5 ku Lwokutaano okutuuka nga 7 omwezi ogujja, olwo entikko y'empaka ebeeremu ba pro nga battunka mu biti ebyenjawulo.
We want to ensure that 10,000 women are impacted by 2034. And so that in terms of sustainability, we will be impacting 1,250 women to reach our 10,000 target.